In this video, I'll show you how to get US Netflix on Firestick in the UK and watch American Netflix with a method that actually works. If you're using a Firestick in the UK, you'll notice that Netflix only shows the UK library, which means many US exclusive movies and TV shows are missing. The easiest and most reliable way to unlock American Netflix on Firestick is by using a VPN. Before we begin, there's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. It's fast, Firestick compatible, and one of the most reliable VPNs for streaming US Netflix without buffering. First, turn on your Firestick and make sure it's connected to the internet. From the Firestick home screen, go to the search icon and type in NordVPN. Once you see the NordVPN app, select it and download the app onto your Firestick. After the installation is complete, open NordVPN and sign in using your account details. When you're logged in, you'll see a list of countries available inside the NordVPN app. Scroll through the list or use the search option and find the United States. Select the United States and press Connect. Once the connection is successful, your Firestick will now be connected to a US server, making it appear as if you're browsing from inside the United States. Before opening Netflix, go into the NordVPN settings on your Firestick. Make sure the VPN protocol is set to Nord links, as this offers the fastest speeds and a most stable performance for streaming. This helps prevent buffering and ensures smooth playback, especially when watching HD or 4K content. Now return to the Firestick home screen and open the Netflix app. Netflix will automatically load the US Netflix library instead of the UK one. You'll now have access to American-only shows, movies, and categories that are normally unavailable in the UK. You can search for specific US titles or browse through Netflix like normal. If the US Netflix library doesn't appear right away, close the Netflix app completely and reopen it. If needed, disconnect from the current US server in NordVPN and connect to another US server. Sometimes switching servers refreshes access, and NordVPN provides multiple US locations to choose from for the best results. That's exactly how to get US Netflix on Firestick in the UK and watch American Netflix without restrictions. Install NordVPN on your Firestick, connect to a United States server, enable Nord links for the best streaming experience, and enjoy the full US Netflix library. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start watching American Netflix on your Firestick today.